Look at this.
Thank you, sir.
The boots are back. I'm also going to need some pants and an extra pair of underwear.
All right. Christmas is coming.
Oh,
I got you.
Full disclosure, I thought they were messing with me, man. I thought, they said come out and we'll just let you hang out with the crew and do whatever. And I'm like, no, they're not gonna let me get under the house. They're not gonna let me, actually. Nobody ever lets me do that kind of thing.
Nobody ever lets you do anything?
No.
I've definitely seen your show, so I know you've gotten pretty dirty.
Well, there's shows, and then there's whatever we're doing here. And well, I'm super interested about what happens at your company and how you guys are gonna continue to expand and grow. I mean, it's, were you there in Virginia Beach?
I was, yes, sir. I didn't get to meet you. The line was a little too long, but I did see you speak. It was awesome. It was really cool.
Well, you met me now. What do you think?
Sir. Just as I imagined. My brother actually got to shake your hand while he was there, and he said you were a great guy, and it was a pleasure meeting you.
No, look, I was really impressed with the whole decision to make you guys owners, essentially. How did that feel?
That was amazing. Wealth is something that we all strive for, in my opinion, and Groundworks definitely didn't have to do something like that for us. We working in the fields, and every other company just pays their guys and they go home. But Mr. Malone and his team decided that we were worth it, and he understands the value in making your employees owners, and you put value in them and they put value in you and your company. So,
did it change your point of view, like the next day when you went to work as an owner in this company? What did that feel like?
It definitely makes you try harder, for sure. It was an amazing feeling to walk in. Like everything I do on a daily basis here makes a difference, not only for just the company and the higher ups, but for myself as well. The more value we can bring in this company, the more value I can bring myself and my family.
Tell me about your family.
Well, I'm married, and my wife and I have been married for 3 years. Just about a month ago, we hit our 3-year mark.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and we had our first daughter, our daughter, in August of last year, but she passed about 30 minutes after she was born.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man.
But we're actually pregnant again, so we're super excited. As of right now, all the ultrasounds have gone well, and we're excited to. We don't know what gender it is yet, but we're excited to have one that's healthy. So.
Well, I'm pulling for you, man. I know that's a tough road.
I was saying Groundworks did a great job of, when they found out what was going on with me and my wife, they gave me a month off, and they let me spend time with my wife and my family, and they paid me the entire time I was gone, even though they didn't have to, and nobody called me and bugged me while I was gone. They gave me my time, they gave me my freedom to take care of myself and my family. It was amazing.
You went to work right out of high school.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Did you think about college at all?
I did. I actually got a basketball scholarship to go play at a D3 college, but the basketball program was shut down when COVID hit. So it yanked my chances at playing basketball in college, and so I went straight to work. So, what
did it feel like? I mean, had anybody called you an essential worker before these lockdowns? Because all of a sudden,
No.
I mean, you guys were headline news.
Yeah, no, nobody had ever called me an essential worker. I'd done part-time pizza delivery, which is by no means essential. But yeah, as soon as I moved into construction and worked through COVID, everybody was home ready for us to come help fix their houses, and it was cool.
Let me tell you, man, Friday night, nothing in the cupboard, nothing in the refrigerator. That pizza becomes essential.
Yeah, it definitely is for some people, I guess. That's true.
Let's dig a hole.
All right.
For foundation repair, go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.